Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your email with ActiveCampaign step by step clearly. To verify your email with ActiveCampaign, start by logging into your ActiveCampaign account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. On the left side of the screen, click on the Settings option. In the Settings menu, select Email Addresses. Here, you'll see a list of email addresses associated with your account. If your email address is unverified, it will be indicated next to the email. Click on the unverified email address to begin the verification process. An option labeled Send Verification Email will appear. Click on this option to send a verification email to the specified address. Now, open a new tab in your web browser and check your email inbox. Look for an email from ActiveCampaign with the subject line Verify Your Email Address. If you don't see the email, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Once you find the email, open it to review the contents. Inside the email, you'll see a button or link to verify your email address. Click on the verification link provided in the email. This action will redirect you back to ActiveCampaign. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your email has been successfully verified. Return to the email addresses page in your account settings to confirm the status of your email. If the email is now marked as verified, you are all set. You can now use your email address for all ActiveCampaign functions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.